When you receive a government contract, you will want to work with an attorney who has experience in this area. The reason is because there are requirements that you must now follow as a condition of receiving those government dollars. If you are not in compliance with the requirements of the contract, you could open yourself up to additional fines, to being monitored, where you have to submit progress reports, and ultimately, if you do not follow those terms, you can be debarred from winning another government contract. I've experienced working with companies on these issues and working directly with the government who would audit you. I work directly with companies to implement the processes and practices you need in place so that you're able to comply with the requirements of your government contract. It's not difficult to do, but you want someone who's done it before, who knows the process, and also understands the consequences of not complying. They can be severe, and you don't want to expose your company to that risk. Although my law firm is located in Florida, I work with businesses throughout the United States when they've been hit with these regulations after a federal government contract award. This includes filing your EEO-1 report, your VETS 100 or VETS 100A reports, doing a compensation analysis, and conducting the race-gender analyses and looking at the individuals with disabilities and veterans requirements that you must comply with. I have experience conducting the audits and representing you if you are under a government audit with the OFCCP. So these are all areas where you want to work with an attorney who's lived it, who's done it, and I've done all of these things. One of the other reasons it's good to hire me is because I like to work with you as a member of your team, as an extension of the business team. I understand that for many companies with their first government award, it's going to be a huge shift in your culture. And I'll work with you so that we can implement these changes so that it makes sense for your company. And I'll help to make it as smooth of a transition process as possible.